Okay, this is where the magic happens with the AI tool at jazzedge.com. All right, so here I am. I'm on my rootless chord voicings lesson chapter. I can go ahead and play the video if I want to, but really I can also just come on down here. Let me set this, by the way, back to 1x. All right. All of your AI responses are going to show up right down here. So now, right now in this blue box, it says no AI responses found because I haven't done anything yet. So first of all, there is some just general AI questions that you can ask, right? Just right here in a simple drop down. Okay, so this one right here, great. All right, help me create a practice plan. Now, what you should know is that all of this data is using a proprietary system that we came up with to pull the data from this lesson chapter right here. So this is not some generic AI response that you're going to get. This AI response is trained on this particular lesson data. So now I click on generate. Just going to wait a couple of seconds for the AI to do its thing, and then the results are going to show up right underneath here. And it's going to show you how to come up with a practice plan based on this particular video. Right? So here I could see my monthly token limit and how many tokens I've used and how much I have left. Most of you are not going to run into any problems. If you do, contact us and we can give you some options. All right, so here, grab your sheet music, play through the C dominant 7th chord as you continue to shift your focus, and it even gives you timestamps as well. All right, so check out 318 for the transitions. So notice simply playing guide tones simply sound a bit thin. Watch from 331 to explore adding chord tensions. All right, and now I can go ahead and print this if I want, or if I just refresh this page, I'm going to refresh the page. Now you'll see that I have it right here. Okay, and I can just click on show, and then all of it is right here. So I didn't have to save anything; it automatically saved for me. Now let's say that I want to do something a little bit different. Okay, so how can I start improvising? I'll do this one. And I'm going to say, give me, actually I'm going to say, I only have 5 minutes to practice. What should I do? Right? And I don't have to worry about uppercase or putting in a question mark. The AI is going to be smart enough to parse through and figure out all of that. All right, so how can I start improvising? I only have 5 minutes to practice. Okay, when you only have 5 minutes to practice, focus on a single effective technique. Guide tones, rootless voicings, purposeful playing. All right, so you could see that it knows what it is that you're putting in. All right, so you put information in here, and the AI is going to use this to shape its results. Now, I know for some people, there's a whole debate on AI and whether it's good or it's bad, right? The thing to understand about this AI is that it is not tapping into any of your personal information. The AI doesn't know your name, doesn't know anything about you, or doesn't read into your account. The AI is only looking at the lesson data alone, and then also responding to whatever it is that you put in here to customize your requests. All right, I would definitely suggest give it a try, because you're going to find that you're going to get such useful information utilizing the AI. And again, you can go through and try, all right, so this is kind of interesting. All right, so here, this one, what should I focus on as a beginner? I'm just going to clear this out right now, and let's just see what the AI says on what you should focus on as a beginner. Okay, start slow with the AI. Play around with it. You will get better at it and understand what you need to put in based on trial and error. All right, so here's what to work on. Understand guide tones, minimize redundancy, right? Chord variations, experimenting with tensions, okay? All of that is talked about in this video. Right? Again, if I go back to my prompt here, right? So practice moving slowly between C7 and F7. Oh, 3 minutes and 38 seconds. All right, let me check that out, 3 minutes and 38 seconds.
So now let's talk rootless chord voicings. Rootless chord voicings are what jazz musicians, note do we add in? This is where chord tensions come in, all right? And I'll talk about that in the next chapter. So for right now, make sure you understand your guide tones of C7 and F.
So you see how I'm moving between those two chords? AI picked that up and it's telling you exactly where to take a look in the video. So again, have fun with the Jazzedge AI, which we lovingly call Jay. All right, so play around with Jay and the different responses you can get. And as always, if you need any help, feel free to reach out to us and we'll be happy to help.